Making cappuccino. The cappuccino icon on the control panel enables cappuccino to be prepared automatically. Proceed as follows. Fill the milk container and attach it as described above. Turn the froth adjustment dial on the milk container lid to the position corresponding to the required froth. Press the cappuccino icon. After a few seconds, frothed milk is delivered from the milk spout into the cup below. The name of the drink selected is displayed, together with a progress bar which gradually fills as preparation progresses. The machine automatically makes the coffee after delivering the milk. If you want to interrupt preparation during delivery, press the corresponding icon. At the end of delivery, to increase the quantity of milk or coffee in the cup, just press and hold, within 3 seconds, the icon corresponding to the drink being made. Do not leave the milk container out of the refrigerator for long periods. The warmer the milk, 5 degrees Celsius is ideal, the poorer the quality of froth produced.